Introducing our amazing ski wall mount. This mount not only elegantly displays your skis as a piece of art, but it also frees up precious floor space in your home. Our wall mount has a sleek and contemporary design that adds a touch of style to any room. And unlike other wall mounts on the market, ours comes with 2 durable Velcro brake retainers in the box, not the flimsy rubber kind. And the best part? With its variable cone placement, it's suitable for any type and size of ski, from freestyle, race, off-piste to all mountain skis, and everything in between. It's strong and durable too. Our mount is made from high-quality hardwood and can support up to 35 pounds. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to install. With only 4 screws and anchors, you can have your skis up on the wall in minutes. And if for any reason you're not completely satisfied with our product, we offer a 30-day full refund or replacement. So what are you waiting for? Get your own Hang 11 ski wall mount today and show off your skis as the works of art they truly are.